guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing this everyday natural look with some shimmer on my eyes, and if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. So I just took all my makeup out and ready to do my face and just get ready for the day. I just came back from LA last night. I was at home just for like vacation. I am going out for a haircut appointment soon, so I kind of just want to like put something on but not like too much on. So today I am just going to be putting on a light layer of this foundation, the Touche Eclat. I don't know how to say this. Touche Eclat all-in-one glow. This is the YSL Fresh Dewy Makeup Foundation that I have been using all summer long, and now it's not summer anymore, but I still really like it. It gives me that light coverage that I need, like for days of work or just like when I need something but not too much. Put a nice base layer onto my face and just buff that guy right in. Seriously, this brush is like the best brush that I've ever used. This is the Sigma 3D HD Kabuki. It's angled like this, so it's kind of like two angles that go down like a roof. It's been perfect for like right here in the nose, like under the eye. It's just like the perfect shape for me. So I've got one even base layer on my face. So next I am going to go in with concealer. I am going to be using the Glossier Pot Concealer. This is the stretch concealer that they have in medium, and it's very dewy. It's very creamy. Before I would use a sponge and put it in here and just like then put it under my eyes and stuff, but I actually just started using the same brush and dipping it into my concealer, and it works well in getting the product out. Like, it works so well because it stipples out the product. So I take this and I'll just put it right under my eye like that, right there, and I'll do the same thing for the other side. Just buff it in with the same brush. Put it over my problem areas. Foundation, concealer is all in. Now I'm just going to set my face with a little bit of loose powder. Oh my gosh, don't tell me I left my loose powder in LA. No, that is so upsetting. I am going to figure out another smart way to set at least my under eyes. I am actually gonna go into my Anastasia contour kit, and I am going to be using this guy right here, the banana color. I'm gonna put that under my eyes. Just gonna use this big brush, this Eco Tools brush I've had since like birth. It's not bad. Okay, so setting the face is done. Thank God for this contour kit and that banana powder. I am going to next move on to my eyebrows. I am going to be using the Anastasia Brow Definer pencil. Just gonna go in, hopefully lightly. Brush those babies out. Always like lightly stroke when you're brushing out your eyebrows if you're like drawing them in, because all the hard work can get brushed out, like spoolied out, and you don't want to do that. There have been so many times where it's like I've nailed the brow, but then I spoolie it too much, and it's like, well, all this work is gone. Especially the tail. Brows are done, and I am going to be moving into my eyes. This is basically like my everyday go-to color. It's a buxom powder. I made my own like buxom palette. You know, you can customize like which colors you put in this palette. It comes out and you can like mix and match, which is super cool. This one is just like a brown like camel color, and it's called Invite Only. I am going to go in with a blending brush, putting it really into where the crease is, and then whatever excess is on here, I also pat it into like the center of my lids. This is just like the perfect shade for me because it transitions really well into like my skin. So you can tell the difference. This side has the eyeshadow, this side doesn't. This side looks like I just drowned in my foundation. This side is like, oh, she's got eyes. So while I was at home, I actually tried this eyelash lift kit by myself, on myself, and I don't know if you can tell, but my lashes are like this eye especially. I used this Pinkzio Eyelash Perming Kit It was like $19 on Amazon, and I actually really liked it. So I want to make a video on it once I like also understand how long this curl lasts, and I wanted to do it first by myself without filming it, so then I could have like a more educated response or video to what I thought about the product. Now I think I want to add just like a little bit of color or shimmer. I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty palette, the Desert Dusk palette. I am going to go into this shade right here, Nefretti, excuse my busted nails, and I'm just going to put that slightly over the lids so I have a little bit of glitter or a little shimmer, not just like flat matte eyes. I'm going to put it in the middle of my lid using a flat like packing eyeshadow brush. The lash perm is like so much better than lash extensions because I could literally just like pack on my eyeshadow onto my lids and like do whatever I want with my eyes, and I don't have to worry about like lashes falling off. Probably costs like $10 each lash. This side has the gold and this side does not. This one just looks a little bit more awake. Gold shimmer is now on my lids, and I'm actually gonna put some of that invite only buxom powder that I put on my base of the lid on my under eye area, as well as some of the shimmer. I'm actually gonna spray some setting spray onto my brush so that the glitter isn't just like falling out onto my cheeks. I want to make sure it really adheres to my under eyes. So the eyeshadow's done. I'm just gonna put makeup setting spray on my face. Wow, you guys, how upsetting. My memory card just like didn't tell me that it was full, and of course can't talk, but it didn't tell me that it was full, and so it just didn't film me doing my bronzer and my blush, but that's okay. I'm here to tell you that I did my bronzer and blush. I did a very light, not like a deep cut contour. I used the Hoola Benefit matte bronzer, and I use for blush the Burt's Bees blush. This one is in the color Bare Peach. I absolutely love this color. It brings the color back into my face. I mean, I love pink blushes, but this particular peach, I'm obsessed with. Okay, so the last few things that are left on my face are just like my mascara and my lips. For my lips, I am going in with the YSL Rogue Volupte Shine. This is in 47. This is just like a nice pink color. Kind of is like a frosty feel too. So I already said I did the lash lift. This eye is actually a little bit more lifted than this eye, so I'm just going to curl this one slightly. I'm going to go in with the Glossier Lash Slick Mascara. I love this mascara. It really gives a natural finish to my lashes, and really just lengthens them, makes you look like you've got a lot of lashes. Just look at how amazing my lashes look right now. I'm so happy with them. Thank you, DIY Lash Lift Kit plus Glossier Lash Slick. This is just like combo in heaven for me right now. The look is done. Have my lips on, everything is on. Actually, I think I might go in with a little bit, hit it with a little bit more blush. I'm definitely ready now to go to my hair appointment to get a slight hair trim because these ends are, these ends are ending. I just got my hair did, y'all. It was at Charles Eifriger or something like that. Salon in Chicago. It's on Oak Street. My hair's like pretty poofy right now because she did a big like blowout, not a big blowout, but she kind of blew it out. If you guys like this video and want to see more stuff like this, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one. I am so hungry. Bye!